Welcome to xoonio. Today, we talk about the feature, Store. To store all your product information, pictures and documents and create wish lists, you have to register first. Use the button down below. Enter your first name and the country you live in. That will help us to find helpers close to your place. An email and a secure password completes the registration. After your registration is finished, tap on the button, look for help down below. Now you are set up. Tap on the burger menu top left to access Store. Welcome, you've made it. As you can see, your first product is already there. It's the smartphone you use right now. If you like, you can enter additional information to it. We show you now how to do that. There are various ways to enter products. One possibility is to scan barcodes and let our app do the work. Feel free to store all desired information at one place. On top of it, you can add some nice pictures of your products or save invoices or warranties. All information can be labeled, downloaded or shared with others. Did you already get some ideas? What you can do with all those possibilities? If you're in shops, use xoonio to create wish lists. And don't forget, if you need some product information, use the button, Get Help to connect to available helpers. What a great way to talk about products, isn't it? How convenient will it be, using Store for all your tech products? Don't forget, community helpers are there for you, if you need them.